Okay, this is a real short video logging into ZipForms and doing it through local access through the board. So I'm going to go to the MLS login site, and you can see up here's the address in case you don't have it. So HiCMLS dot, and you can see that right there. Okay, I'm going to put in my password. And once I log in here, I have a portal and a lot of things available. So here's Matrix, MLS Matrix, here's everything, showing time, etc., Real List. Here's ZipForms Plus. So this is how we're going to log in. It's going to take me immediately to the site and take me to the dashboard. And we're just going to take a moment and just do the real basic. So we're at the dashboard. We're going to start a new. Let's just do a new purchase. I'm going to say it's residential, and you can fill out this other information if you want. Don't have to, but you do need to put in a name. So I'm just going to say sample Mr. Jones. Okay, we're going to save it. So we now have a folder that's open up for Mr. Jones. If you like, you can fill in a lot of this information, but let's just go right to the document. So we're going to add a form. And here's the default. It's always going to default to the Hawaii Association of Realtors, the HAR. So this is where we find the purchase contract, most of the documents that you're going to work with. And for some reason, people get stuck when they can't find the MLS profile sheets. So we just change, this is the library up here. Go to the library, and we're going to go to HiCentral MLS. And in here, find, in our case, let's say it's a single family. We click on it, and then you can see it's now going to appear over here under this sample Mr. Jones file. If I want to go back and I want to add the purchase contract, I'll change the library back to Hawaii Association of Realtors. Come down, grab the purchase contract, and there we go. So I've got these two in here. And then obviously you open this up, and then it's the fillable PDF. When it's done, after you've completed it and you want to export it, there's different options. What I generally do is save it as a PDF. I save it to my device, meaning this computer, save it, and then we're just going to get the PDF file, and here it is. Let's say it's completed, and then File, Save As, and then I put it into an appropriate folder. That might work. Okay, so that's just real basic. Best way to log in. Do it through MLS. When you get into the system, to access all the libraries, make sure that you go up here and just look at this little box right up here. It's going to default Hawaii Association of Realtors. For the profile sheet, you go to HiCentral. All right. Hope that helped.